Are you tired of juggling multiple bank accounts, complex spreadsheets, and endless manual reconciliations for your business finances? Do you wish there was a simpler, more intuitive way to manage your money, pay bills, and gain crystal clear insights into your cash flow? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Relay mobile app, a powerful tool designed to revolutionize how small businesses and entrepreneurs handle their banking. We all know the struggle. As a business owner, your time is your most valuable asset. Yet, so much of it gets consumed by financial administration. You're probably using one bank for your primary checking, another for savings, maybe a third for payroll. Then there's the constant task of categorizing transactions, trying to figure out which vendor took how much, and preparing for tax season feels like climbing Mount Everest. It's overwhelming, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it often takes away from the core activities that actually grow your business. This is where Relay steps in. Imagine a financial hub that brings all your business banking under one roof, simplifies expense tracking, automates payments, and provides real-time financial insights right at your fingertips. No more logging into multiple portals, no more guessing where your money went, and definitely no more dreading financial reporting. Relay isn't just another banking app, it's a strategic partner for your business, designed to give you back control and clarity over your finances. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk through every essential feature of the Relay mobile app. We'll start from the very beginning, how to download and set up your account, and then move on to the core functionalities that will transform your financial management. We'll cover everything from opening multiple no-fee checking accounts, sending and receiving payments, managing your debit cards, and even leveraging Relay's powerful integration capabilities with accounting software. By the end of this video, you'll be a Relay pro, equipped to streamline your business finances and reclaim your precious time. Let's begin our journey by getting the Relay app onto your device. You'll find Relay available on both the Apple App Store for iOS devices and the Google Play Store for Android. Simply open your preferred app store, search for Relay Business Banking, and hit download. The app is free to download, and the initial setup process is remarkably straightforward. Once downloaded, open the Relay app. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. If you're an existing Relay customer, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Relay, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing some basic business information, such as your business name, legal structure, and employer identification number, EIN. You'll also need to verify your identity, which is a standard security measure for all financial institutions. Relay is FDIC insured through its partner banks, meaning your deposits are protected up to the legal limit, giving you peace of mind. The application process is entirely digital and usually takes only a few minutes. Make sure you have your business documents handy, as you might need to upload a few. Alright, once you're logged in, you'll land on the Relay dashboard, your central command center. The beauty of Relay lies in its ability to offer multiple checking accounts, all under one umbrella. This is incredibly powerful for implementing a profit-first or envelope budgeting system within your business. For example, you can create separate accounts for operating expenses, payroll, taxes, savings, and even a dedicated account for specific projects or clients. To create a new account, simply tap on the Accounts tab and look for the option to add account. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose. This level of organization eliminates financial guesswork and helps you allocate funds effectively. Now, let's talk about moving money in and out of your Relay accounts. There are several convenient ways to do this. You can deposit funds into your Relay account via ACH transfers from other bank accounts. Simply link your external bank account within the Relay app, and you can initiate transfers directly. This is ideal for receiving payments from clients or moving funds from a different business account. You can also receive wire transfers, which are useful for larger transactions or international payments. Relay provides all the necessary routing and account numbers within the app. When it comes to sending money, Relay offers robust options. You can send ACH payments to vendors, contractors, or employees directly from the app. This is perfect for paying bills, making recurring payments, or handling payroll. Simply add your recipient's bank details, enter the amount, and schedule the payment. For faster payments, Relay supports wire transfers, though these usually incur a fee. You can also send payments via check, which Relay can mail on your behalf, a great feature for businesses that still deal with physical checks. Managing your business debit cards is another core function of the Relay app. When you open a Relay account, you'll receive physical debit cards. However, the app allows you to do so much more. You can instantly issue virtual debit cards for specific purposes, such as online subscriptions, marketing spend, or individual employees. This provides an extra layer of security and allows you to easily track spending by category or individual. Within the app, you can set spending limits on each card, freeze or unfreeze cards instantly if they're lost or stolen, and even order replacement cards. This level of control is invaluable for preventing unauthorized spending and managing team expenses. One of Relay's standout features is its transaction categorization. Every transaction that flows through your Relay accounts is automatically categorized. However, you have the power to customize and refine these categories. This is crucial for accurate financial reporting and tax preparation. Within the app, you can view your transactions, tap on any entry, and easily reassign it to a more appropriate category if needed. You can also add notes to transactions, upload receipts, and even split transactions across multiple categories. Imagine the time saved during tax season when all your expenses are meticulously categorized and backed by digital receipts. Speaking of financial insights, the Relay app provides intuitive reporting capabilities. You can view your cash flow at a glance, track your income and expenses over time, and understand where your money is going. While not a full-fledged accounting software, Relay's reporting gives you a clear snapshot of your financial health. This data is essential for making informed business decisions, identifying areas for cost reduction, and forecasting future cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.